Hey everyone, hopefully you're having a good day. My name's Andy. My channel is Finding Value. Today we're going to do our daily technical analysis update of gold and silver. We'll take a look at the 10-year yield, dollar, and stuff like that as well, and I'll give you my financial opinion. So let's just dive right in and give you my opinion right here. So we got the 10-year yield behind me. It was selling off. We had a little bit of a reversal today. That is a hammer pattern. Hopefully, we can see this turn around here and head back on up a little bit. That's kind of what I'm seeing in the charts for the 10-year yield. Looking at the dollar was running today. It was running up, had a little bit of a wick at the top. And looking at this, it's sitting on top of a pattern. There's our resistance line. It's sitting on top of that. But we are losing some steam here. Again, that's only one day today on a monthly. But looking at the dailies, we have a little wick at the top. Will this head a little bit lower? Yeah, we'll find out. But a little bit stronger dollar, a little bit weaker 10-year yield, and that resulted with basically gold being flat today. It did trade lower and came and bounced back up throughout the day. Silver was also lower, creating a hammer candlestick pattern. Sometimes those are good in the short term to reverse and then head higher. So this is a reversal from going down to potentially going up next trading sessions. Platinum also putting in that hammer candlestick. We're seeing the hammer candlesticks all over the place. That usually is an indication of something that is bottoming out, ready to turn and shift that momentum upward. We'll see if that happens. Looking at the XAU to gold ratio, we got a nice good bullish engulfing pattern that usually indicates that we want to go higher. It means the gold and silver mining companies on the short term could outperform to the upside. We're seeing patterns across the entire sector. I'll show you in a lot of these companies of bullish engulfings. So it means that this is a bullish engulfing here. It didn't pan out to the upside, but statistically, it's greater than 50% to move and head higher. But right now in Karora Resources, we're just kind of moving sideways in that one. Now EXK has a bullish engulfing where we could be bottoming. Fortuna Silver Mines is getting that bullish piercing, bullish engulfing. That usually is an indication of a reversal from a downward movement into an upward movement. And we're seeing it across the boards. Soljay's got a nice good bullish engulfing, bullish piercing pattern where we could potentially go higher. Same with GDX. Nice good bullish engulfing here. Metallic minerals, that's just lower today. Koya Resources got that bullish engulfing of the ones before it. That is a indication where we could potentially head higher statistically. Discovery Silver, it's right on support, grinding that support line. First Majestic Silver, bullish piercing. A bullish piercing just means that you have a candlestick that comes like this. It gapped lower the next day, came up, and an engulfing, it goes above the previous day. We are very close here, but it's still a piercing or a bullish engulfing, which means that we come down and it reverses and bounces back up. And it doesn't mean that it has to happen next trading session. It's just over time, it usually is an indication where we could bottom and reverse. Statistically speaking, Newmont, a little hammer pattern that is a bullish piercing pattern as well. Mag Silver getting the bullish engulfing. Again, these are bottoming patterns that could potentially head higher. AUI's got that bullish piercing. Impact Silver, nice big hammer candlestick. Aftermath Silver, sideways. We've got PLG getting the bullish piercing right on the support level or support line. Siboney Stillwater getting that bullish engulfing. Sandstorm Gold getting a bullish engulfing. Again, it's engulfing the one before it. Ready to go on higher is what I'm seeing. Franco-Nevada getting the bullish piercing. So we're getting bullish indications across the entire sector in almost all these companies. Another bullish engulfing right on support. Wheaton Precious Metals, bullish piercing. Again, ready to potentially go higher over the next few trading sessions week. Tutin Resources, getting some selling pressure there. Gold Royalty, not much to say there. Bullish engulfing. Metallo Royalty. Mavericks Metals getting the bullish bullish piercing pattern. This one's a bullish engulfing here. This is a bullish engulfing here. This is a bullish engulfing there. This is a bullish piercing there. It's just probably going to head higher here at any second. For that one, Royal Gold, bullish engulfing, ready to go higher. Broken down trend line. That means going on up. A Cisco Gold Royalty bullish piercing, ready to reverse and go higher. And then Altius getting some selling pressure on this sideways move right on the resistance support line. So overall, for gold and silver, I'm seeing a lot of bullish engulfings, bullish piercings. I'm seeing hammer candlesticks on the precious metals themselves. We could be putting in a short-term bottom here, ready to head higher. That's what these charts are telling me. Statistical probability of these bullish candlestick patterns means that we could potentially head higher. All right, guys, that's all I've got. Give me a thumb up for the content. Subscribe to the channel. Subscribe to the website below, the Platinum membership, if you guys want to. We'll be doing a question and answer session. I have to figure out when I can do that. I am staying somewhere else, so the rooms are limited, and they're only open during certain periods of the time during the day. So I'm going to have to figure out when that is. Check the website on when that time is. It's not going to be at the normal 7 a.m. Saturday. There's going to be people sleeping in here, so I can't do it at that time. But I'll figure out a day and a time frame. Maybe it's midday Sunday or something like that. I'll have to talk with the people here, and we can align that up. So if that's the question and answer session. Check the website for the specific times on it. All right, guys. We'll catch you later. This is Finding Value.